Where are we at?
I believe we're in Mexico, and there's an essential to checking in. I believe you have it in your hand.
Yes.
Champagne.
And I need another one. Whoa! 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 What is going on here?
Oh my goodness.
I believe we've been upgraded.
What is this?
What is this?
We got a creek in front of our house, but it's nothing like this.
This one's a
I know,
little
we need to-
cleaner.
This is unbelievable.
And I think it's time to shed some of this clothing from winter
Absolutely.
in Texas.
Absolutely.
Gotta go.
Yeah.
The fewer clothes, the better. So get ready for it.
Okay, so our experience was not as wild as this depicted. Check-in at El Dorado Royale is quite relaxed. In the luxurious lobby, where a welcome drink is offered after your 35-minute drive from the airport. The spacious lobby area has adjacent shops for anything from jewelry and clothing to sunscreen and toiletries. This resort is huge, so you'll be doing a lot of walking, and likely some riding in some of the stretched golf carts you'll see driving around. There are golf cart shuttle pickup stations throughout the resort, some with countdown timers showing approximately how long before the next shuttle arrives. These come in handy if it's raining or if you're all dressed up for dinner. Now, how about the rooms?
All right, let's take a look at the standard room ocean view. We have a shower, toilet area. Hello. And then along here we have, of course, our safe. We've got our slippers. We have our area to put a large bag or what have you. And view of the jacuzzi tub, bed, television, and out to the ocean. Okay, now we're going to take a look at a very similar room. This one also has a shower and a commode area and bathroom area here. This particular one is an ocean swim up. You may or may not have bling with your ocean swim up, but you can walk right out and jump into the pool.
El Dorado Royale Riviera Maya is divided into 3 sections. The main lobby area is surrounded by standard hotel-style rooms like the ones you just saw. There are garden view rooms with or without swimming pools, and ocean view rooms. This section is comprised of tan-colored buildings and includes several large swimming pools in addition to the swim-up lazy river-style pools. The next section is called the Casitas. These bungalow-style buildings have 10 additional swim-up bars with ocean views. Speaking of ocean views, the beach was hit by a hurricane several years ago that caused major erosion. Initially, the resort added extra large sandbags that they called whales to help with the erosion. But since then, they've added some huge concrete barriers that look like something from Normandy Beach during the Second World War. I don't see these barriers being removed anytime soon, so don't expect to be doing any snorkeling along the beach in this area. Not to worry, there is a nice saltwater swimming pool along the beach in the Casitas area anyone can use. And there are plenty of other free activities to keep you occupied. You can try your hand at archery, for instance, or perhaps a game of tennis on one of the several courts along a nice bike path. You can also get in a workout session in the air-conditioned gym with weightlifting equipment as well as cardio equipment near the chapel. Not far from the gym, along the beach, you can get in a game of beach volleyball or maybe some horseshoes. If you enjoy hiking, there are a few trails we discovered in between the main road entry and the hotel lobby. We did a little exploring in this wooded area and came across an abandoned party scene.
Not sure what kind of venue this was, but definitely some sort of venue.
For an extra fee, the resort also offers horseback riding on site.
I think he wants you to scratch him.
We made our way over to where the horses are kept to say hi. And we also discovered a small pen with some other animals. We're not exactly sure why they're here. So moving on. Walking back to the main lobby via the entrance road, you'll pass the main sign. Walking through the main lobby, you'll come out on the back deck with views of the main adults-only resort and a nice waterfall. The last section is a kids-friendly hotel called Generations. Anyone staying at El Dorado Resort or the Casitas can also enjoy the restaurants or other amenities at Generations. Although some of the amenities may not be a good fit if you're an adult. Kids, however, are not allowed to enter the El Dorado sections. What El Dorado lacks in terms of a beach, it makes up for in food. We feel that among the all-inclusive resort brands, this property has some of the best food choices. There are multiple choices for indoor as well as outdoor dining experiences. Reservations are recommended for dinner, which can be made with the concierge closest to your room. Cocotal was our go-to choice for breakfast, with a large assortment of buffet items, including a station for crepes. The entertainment at El Dorado Royale is also among some of the best at an all-inclusive resort. We hope this video was informative and helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.